Hi everybody, it's Mark Sams here from NinjaOutreach, and what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to use NinjaOutreach to collect contact information from websites using the Google results. Okay, so we're going to start off on the Google homepage, and we're going to go down to the bottom right hand corner, and as you can see there's a couple of links. You've got privacy, terms and settings. You want to click on settings and you'll get some options, and you want to go to search settings. That's the top one there. And then as you can see in here, you'll have some different options also. Now, what you want to make sure is where it says Google Instant Predictions, you want to make sure that your setting is on Never Show Instant Results, and that the results per page is set at 100. Okay, so that's the key thing that you want to make sure, is that you're not on the instant results. You've got the option of never show instant results, and the results per page is at 100 results. Okay, so back to the Google homepage, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to type in Moz toolbar. Okay, so MOZ toolbar. Okay, and you'll see the top result should be the SEO toolbar for Firefox and Chrome. We're just going to click on that. Load that for us. Now, obviously, I'm using Chrome, so I'm gonna download the Chrome version. But this works for either Chrome or Firefox. Okay, and it's the same process pretty much in relation to downloading it. You literally just click on it, download it, and you will have the Chrome extension. You see, you just click on it, add it to. I'm going to add it to my Chrome. Confirm new extension. I'll say yes and add it. Just doing some checks. And that has now been added. As you can see in this corner up here, in the top right hand corner, you can see that I've got my Moz Chrome extension. Okay, so I'm going to run a search. I'm going to run a search now, and I'm going to use the Google operators as well. So I'm going to do a search for internet marketing. I'm going to do in URL ultimate guide. Okay, let me make sure there's no space between that. And run a search. And the reason why I put ultimate guide is because I want to make sure that within the URL it says it says ultimate guide within the URL. So what I've done is that's given me, as you can see, it's giving me 100 results in Google with the in URL ultimate guide for internet marketing. Now, as I said, I don't actually use Firefox, so I just want to, for people that do use Firefox, I just want to show you an example of where it would be for Firefox. So basically, if you've got a Firefox, this is just an image. It'd be in your top right hand corner, and it will be a drop down called SERP Control Panel. You click the drop down, and then you'd have the option to export to a CSV. And basically, that when you click that, it will drop it down into a CSV file and load that onto your computer for you. Okay, so that's if you're using Firefox. That's what you do. It's in the top right hand corner, drop down and choose export CSV. Okay, so now back to Chrome. Now for Chrome users, it's basically just this icon here. It looks like a page with an arrow pointing left. Okay, so it's just this little icon here. You literally just click on it. As you can see, it automatically downloads that CSV file for you. Now, I'm going to open this CSV file in a Google Doc. You'll probably, depending on what you use, you might use Excel or something else to open up a CSV. I use Google Doc, so I'm going to open mine up in a Google Doc. All right. So here's the file. I've opened it up in my Google Doc, Google Sheets, and as you can see, you've got all the results there. You've got the 100 results there for your job, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to get rid of just these excess rows here. So you just want to just get rid of these excess rows. Okay, you've got that, and now your file is ready to import into NinjaOutreach. Now you've got a couple of choices when it comes to importing. As I say, you've got a couple of options. You can either import via the web app or you can import via the desktop. Now, depending on what you want to do, depends on the best option for you. If you want to just import the URLs and have those in the system, and then you want to manually add contact details and so on and so forth to the different URLs, then import through the web app. Now, if you want the software to actually update all of the different data points like contact information, social media, all the different data points that we provide with NinjaOutreach, then the desktop is going to be the best option for you for importing. Now, if you're not sure how to import, basically all you need to do is just go to NinjaOutreach.com/knowledge-base, okay, and that will redirect you to our knowledge base area. Okay, now in this area, literally just go to the search bar and just type in import, and you can see it's got two different options here. You can just press search and just get all of the different things that it has on import, or you can choose web app or desktop. And as you can see here, let me go to one of them. So this one's for the web app, and you've got a nice little video that explains to you exactly how to import files, import and export in NinjaOutreach through the web app. Okay, and if you want to do it for the desktop, type in import again, and just choose desktop, and you'll have a video also with written instructions on how to import through the desktop version. You've got a nice little video that explains it for you also. Okay. Another cool trick you can do as well is you can import it into the desktop version of the software, get all of your data points, then you can export it out of the desktop version if you want to use the web-based for Outreach, and then you can import it into the web-based version with all the data points in place. Excellent. So that's the end of the training on how to use NinjaOutreach to collect contact information from websites from the Google results. Excellent. You guys take care and have yourself a great day. Until another episode. Take care. Bye.